Want picnic? Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Let's play a game guessing vegetables. Can you guess this vegetable? Tomato. Tomato. Can you guess this vegetable? Corn. Corn. Can you guess this vegetable? Broccoli. Say broccoli. Can you guess this vegetable? Bell pepper. This is bell pepper. Can you guess this vegetable? Carrot. This is a carrot. This is a carrot. Can you guess this vegetable? Onion. This is an onion. Can you guess this vegetable? Cabbage. This is a cabbage. Cabbage. Can you guess this vegetable? Eggplant. Eggplant. Good job learning vegetables with me today. Join me again next time.